Hey guys, this is Slice Concessions. Today we're going to be showing you how to put your C707 together so you can start making some ice cream. First of all, you're going to grab your drive shaft, okay? And you're going to put your ring seal on your drive shaft right here, like this, okay? Before you do that, you always want to make sure you have some good bounce in it. If it's cracked or dry or any of that, you want to replace it, because if you don't, it's going to leak right out the back. It's a bad time. So we're going to put our seal right here like this. We're going to get some lube to make sure it will seal properly and extend the life of your seal. You're going to pack it in there like that, okay? Then you're going to put it in the barrel, line up with the coupling in the back, push in and turn and lock, and this should lock right in place. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your auger, all right? You always want to make sure the blades are in good condition. A really easy way to test this is to put it in like this, just like that. If you turn it, see how it didn't spin all the way around? Good resistance. That means your blades are scraping your walls, okay? If it's not doing that, I would recommend replacing your blades. So what you'll do is push this in and turn until it locks with the drive shaft. It should fit right in, just like that. Finally, you're gonna get your door, you're gonna line it up. And before you do, same deal. Always make sure your O-rings are good, fitted right. Same with these. You check it by pulling this pin out, pulling this handle out, and you'll check these as well. Lube them up, put them in, and install everything like that. Safe, that. On the back side, don't forget your guide ring. Without this, your barrel is going to bounce around, okay? This is going to keep your auger, straight, so it won't be causing any irregular scratches or wear on the barrel. So after that's all done, you put this on, get your bolts on. Remember, the long ones go on top. The short ones go on the bottom. Try to distribute the pressure evenly by doing a cross pattern rather than, in a square. It's kind of like putting on a tire. Cross, cross. Nice and snug. Don't over tighten it. You don't want to break anything. Just enough so it won't leak out. All right, so now we're going to show you how to put mix in the machine and prime the machine so we can get your ice cream started, all right? So here we got some mix, all right? What you're gonna do is go to the top of the machine and you're gonna pour your mix in. Pour it all in there, okay? You're gonna see that this is bubbling right now, but we're gonna prime the barrel just by lifting this right here. Once you lift it up, the bubbling's gonna stop. Up here, it's gonna stop because it's gonna be having a free flow. And the hole is actually where the minimum amount of mix needs to be. So you're gonna wait until you see a stream come out, which means it's around 60%, like that. Once it's ready, press this down, turn your machine on, hit auto, and you'll be making some ice cream. This is Slice Concessions. Come and check us out for more information on our website, and we'll see you next time.